Hey, Yarn, I wanted to talk about how gardening is easy to do, but understanding your location and the microclimate you're trying to grow in is hard. Because if you don't understand your microclimate, you're not going to have a good experience with growing plants. I did not know that I lived in a frost pocket or a cold pocket, they call it, because there's someone I know who lives about 3, 4 kilometers away who grows mangoes, avocados, bananas, dragon fruit. They are growing beautifully. He's been growing them for years and they are massive big trees. But if we try to grow them, the poor plants get nuked by the frost. It's because cold air is like water, it goes down to low-lying areas, and then the frost settles there. Sadly, we're in a low-lying area, and that is completely alright, but I did not know that's why we got cold. I just thought that everyone in my locality had frost risk problems. It's perfectly okay because I understand what's wrong now. See, my cauliflower is ready to be harvested because they're starting to get a little bit close to bolting soon. The people who we know who are growing amazing fruit trees at the moment, they grew cauliflower and broccoli the same time we did, but all their plants went to bolt because it was too warm this winter. Because we are getting colder weather there they are, because we live in a frost pocket as they call it, we had no issues. And this is the whole understanding. Learning to grow fruit veggies is easy, but understanding your microclimate is the hardest part. And if you can understand it, you will have the best gardening experience of your life. So when you watch someone doing gardening, by taking their concept of their garden and adapting it to your microclimate so it'll work for your area is the best thing to do. Just don't go out and be like, oh, this person is growing this plant at this time of the year. I'm going to grow up. You might be a little bit warmer or you might be a bit colder and your plants can't handle it. So the best thing to do is learn about your microclimate before you start planting plants out. And this is all just a learning experience. You have to fail to succeed. So even the big, gardening gurus always do fail at gardening all the time. You're going to have good years of harvest, and then you're going to have bad years of harvest. It's just the way it is. I hope you did enjoy the content. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.